Welcome to Sky Scout. Today we're exploring the old Hayling Billy Bridge. Let's take a gull's eye view and find out what this location has to offer drone pilots. Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Sky Scout UK, the series where I explore drone flying locations so you can decide whether they're worth a trip. We're starting here, predominantly in Hampshire and West Sussex, because it's close to where I'm based, and if and when the channel grows a bit, I'll expand wider into the UK. Right now, I've got myself in Langston, at the north end of Langston, right near the old Hayling Billy track. We're going to get the drone up, we're going to fly around, and we're going to have a bit of an explore around the area on this beautiful, beautiful evening. Tide's out, looks great. Let's hit the skies. First of all, the location here is stunning, but it can be a little bit difficult to get to. There is only one road on and off of the island, which can make it difficult at busy times. Parking, there is a small parking area here with space for around 15 cars, although there are no marked bays as such, so depending on how spatially inept your fellow visitors are on any given day, it can be less than 10 spots. From the car park, it's only a short walk along a gravel path out towards the headland. It's an easy walk for most people, but if you're carrying plenty of camera gear, just bear in mind the uneven surface. This section of coastline follows the route of the old Hayling Billy Railway. It was first opened in 1867 and connected Hayling Island with the mainland, and it carried passengers and freight for almost a century. Finally closed in 1963, but today the route has been transformed into a beautiful walking and cycling trail. If you know where to look, there are still plenty of reminders of its railway heritage scattered along the route. Here's the drone flight map for the area. As you can see, there aren't any no-fly zones, but it is a site of special scientific interest, so please fly responsibly. Keep your distance from wildlife, avoid disturbing nesting birds, and leave the area exactly as you found it. Before every flight, it's also worth checking for any temporary NOTAMs and making sure there haven't been any changes to the local airspace. For me, this location really comes into its own at low tide. The exposed mudflats reveal some pretty fantastic textures and leading lines that make aerial shots far more interesting than at high water. You also tend to have fewer anglers along the shoreline, giving you a little more breathing room when choosing a safe place to fly. If you can time your visit for low tide, at sunrise or sunset, even better. The combination of the exposed harbour with a soft blue hour or warm golden hour light can produce some absolutely stunning footage. Points of interest, there's plenty here to keep you busy. The old bridge pilings make an excellent focal point and they look pretty fantastic from directly overhead. The winding shoreline creates beautiful leading lines. The harbour itself gives plenty of opportunities for wide cinematic shots. If you're lucky, you might even catch boats moving through the channel to add a little bit of extra life to your footage. Because you're flying around a nature reserve, freestyle FPV is not really appropriate here, but if you're into a more sedate-paced exploration style FPV, then I think the old bridge pilings could make for some really enjoyable flying. Overall, I really enjoy flying here. The scenery changes dramatically with the tide, and there's enough variety to keep both photographers and videographers interested. The only real downside is the limited parking, particularly on busy days, and if you time it wrong, your arrival onto the island can be delayed by that single lane of traffic. But for me, I reckon that this location scores a solid 7 out of 10. It's definitely worth visiting if you're in the area, and somewhere I will happily return on a regular basis. If you know a drone location that you think I should scout next, let me know in the comments below. I'm always looking for suggestions for future episodes. And if you've enjoyed the video, I'd really appreciate it if you could leave a like and a subscribe to the channel. Feed that hungry algorithm monster for me. As a brand new channel, it genuinely helps more people discover these videos. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode of Sky Scout.